Hi, I want to tell you about one of the monument important in the old part of Montreal. It's designated a national archaeological and historic site. It's the Pointe-à-Calière Museum. It's present centuries of history of first people to the present day. There is occupied by humans for more than 1,000 years. Uh, this um, this museum is the site where Montreal was founded. There is some remarkable architectural ring in underground. Um, Important archaeological discovery made in Old Montreal in the 80s is connected to the construction of the museum Pointe-à-Calière. The museum is inaugurated in nine, 19, 1992 as part of the 350 anniversary celebration of the city of Montreal. Um, uh, this is the building at 1992. Is the only substantial archaeology museum in Canada. Is it also the largest and most visited history museum in Montreal? There are several permanent exhibitions, like where Montreal began. The museum also presents the Generation Montréal and avant-garde multimedia um, on the history of the city. Every year, the museum also holds three national and international exhibitions, um, temporary exhibitions. Um, there is a gift shop and Bistro La Rivage inside. The location of museum is where Sieur de Maisonneuve and Jeanne Mance and their entourage came together on a point of land between the Saint Lawrence and Saint Pierre rivers. The museum is named in honor of Louis Hector de Calière. Is the third governor of Montreal who has established a residence there in 1695. Um, on the buildings, several commemorative plaques award to Pointe-à-Calière. There is the one on the reception building, and another is on the old custom house. The museum's mission is to showcase and raise awareness of Montreal's history and archaeology. The museum, the Pointe à Calière Museum consists of 7 pavilions and structures. There are the Apron Building, the first collector sewer for Ville-Marie, the marketplace, the old costume house, the mariner's house, and the Youville pumping station at the left. At the left, this this mariner's house. Here, here, here is the reception pavilion. The architect of Apron Building is Dan Agnew. Another view for the reception pavilion. Under there is the ruin and the first collector sewer. It was restored in 2017 and opened 100 meters of the collector accessible to the public. This place is Fort Ville-Marie. The site is Paul Chemellet de Maisonneuve and Jean Mans found Ville-Marie in 1642. Governor Louis Hector de Calière built his residence in 1695 on this place. The museum made the site available to the general public to the opening at the same day to the first collector sewer on May 17, 2017. To coincidence the 375 anniversary of Montreal. This place was where Montreal's first marketplace was established in 1676, and daily American and Montreal's people live since the 14th century. This building is Old Custom House. Is designed by architect John Austell. This building dates back to 1837. House Montreal's Customs House. Here is the Mariner's House, built in 1953 and inaugurated March 6, 2013. This building can accommodate large temporary exhibition and cultural events. At the left, this building is a Youville pumping station. It was constructed in 1915. It's Montreal's first electric power wastewater pumping station. Finally, several things to discover at the the Pointe-à-Gallière Museum. In one day, these buildings are to visit for history and archaeology at Montreal. We we will uh, we will go to the Basilique Notre Dame.